Welcome to Lourdie's Hair and Healthy Tips. Today I am going to show you how to make a homemade deep hair conditioner using Butternut Squash. I will also show you how I got this hairstyle using drinking straws. So to begin with, peel and cut the squash into sections. So make sure you pour just a little bit of water. Add a little bit of oil. Usually add a little bit of milk just before I remove it, and I will let it cook like for a good 1 or 2 minutes. Then blend the squash. You can add a little bit of water if it's too thick when you're going to strain it. You make sure you make it as a conditioner consistency, so it's going to be easy to apply. I'm doing it, you don't see big mess because I don't make it too liquid. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to mix my conditioner together. So I already put a little bit of shea butter, olive oil, honey, sweet orange, rosemary, Patachouli, and a little bit of Cayenne Pepper. Voila! My hair is freshly washed, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to detangle my hair. But before I do that, I make sure that I take a generous amount of coconut oil. You make sure you take a lot because that's going to be mixed with the conditioner anyways. And then took my denim brush. 20 minutes just to detangle my hair. I am going to apply my homemade deep conditioner. Whatever you see, it's a little bit like this one, it's just shea butter. So now I am going to put my plastic bag. I sat under the hooded dryer for 45 minutes, and now what I'm going to do, I am going to remove the plastic bag and the plastic wrap, and then I will go rinse my hair. As you can see, it's still on my hair, it's melting. I'm going to rinse my hair. I just rinsed my hair. Oh my god, I love the feeling. It's so clean and moisturized. I'm not gonna do anything else. I make sure I go section by section. I rinse my hair. I brush to remove any residue. There is nothing. So one thing with Butternut Squash, if you need to know if you rinse your hair properly, you can take a napkin or a t-shirt, a white t-shirt, and pat your hair. If there is any yellow left, that means you still need to rinse your hair until you remove everything. So now I am going to do a straw set. I'm just gonna add a little bit of leave-in, but I don't need to add much. A little bit of oil moisturizing hair lotion by ORS. So now I'm going to section my hair into small sections. Just gonna bend it. And I am going to tie my hair with this, and I will leave it air dry. But by the way, time consuming using these bobby pins. Don't do that. Don't use them. They're not worth your time, because whenever I put one, it's pop up like this and it did not hold my hair at all. I'm ready to remove my stress. Oh, this is it. So now you can either leave it like this, or you can style it. I love it. It's worth it. I really like it. So I hope you're gonna try this one. If you like it, let me know if you did try it. Please don't hesitate to comment, ask questions. So we are here to learn together, to share our knowledge with each other. So because this natural journey, it's not an easy one, but once we support each other, we make it seem like it's effortless. So I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lourdie. For more hair tips, please subscribe.